Watch carefully. A man made a metal cage on the grass. He planned to use it to catch wild boars. The man sprinkled 2 bags of corn inside the cage. The wild boars smelled the corn from far away. It was so delicious. The wild boars were very alert. They didn't go in through the door right away. The wild boars circled around the cage to see if it was a trap. Soon, the wild boars rushed in to eat the corn inside the cage. The wild boars couldn't resist the fragrant corn on the ground. Soon, 48 wild boars went into the cage. The king of the wild boars was very cautious and didn't go in to eat the corn. The wild boars inside the cage thought that the king of the wild boars and his family were too stupid. The man saw that the king of the wild boars still wouldn't come in. He had to press the button. The iron door fell down and locked. The wild boars were shocked in an instant. They ran to the door together and tried to escape. The wild boars ran around inside the cage looking for a way out. But it was no use. The wild boars couldn't laugh anymore. There was also a group of wild boars eating corn inside another cage. I counted 30 wild boars. The wild boars were too careless. The iron door suddenly fell down and locked. The wild boars kept hitting the iron door and wanted to get out.